Hi TFT team. So this question has been a big one in the community for a while. Can I use EAs with the funded trader? EAs are allowed to be used only in Royal challenges currently. It's important to note that EA usage on Royal accounts must still follow the other guidelines in accordance with our terms of service, including but not limited to prohibited trading, strategies that we covered in what trading styles are allowed within TFT video, copy trading from third-party signals, account management services, arbitrage trading, grid trading. Please practice caution when using third-party or public EAs, as our internal systems may flag the account for copy trading, which is a direct violation of our terms and conditions. In such cases, an investigation will be launched, which may result in the breach of the account. Again, if you have any doubts, just reach out to our support team and get clarification if your EAs is not conflicting with our policy. Stay vigilant and happy trading, guys!